Welcome to the Examination Table Assembly Guide. This video will guide you step by step through the assembly process, ensuring your examination table is ready for safe and effective use. Please read the assembly manual thoroughly before beginning. First, carefully unpack the box. Lay the components on a clean surface to avoid any damage, and remove all components. Ensure you have the following parts: 1 mainframe assembly with mattress, 1 leg base assemblies, 1 connecting pipe. Step 1. The mainframe assembly with the mattress upside down on a clean, flat surface. This will make it easier to attach the leg base assemblies. Step 2. Unscrew the Allen bolts from the mainframe assembly. Align the leg base assemblies with the designated slots. Using the provided Allen bolts and spring washers, I tighten the leg bases with the number 5 Allen key. Be careful, do not over-tighten the bolts. Step 3. The connecting pipe between the 2 leg bases. Secure it using the Allen bolts and spring washers provided. Tighten the bolts with the 5 number Allen key, ensuring the pipe is firmly in place. Be careful, do not over-tighten the bolts.
Step 4.
Carefully lift and flip the examination table to its upright position. Ensure the table is level and stable on its rubber stumps.
Step 5. Perform a final inspection of all bolts and connections to confirm they are secure. Ensure the table is stable and aligned properly. Your examination table is now fully assembled and ready for use.
To ensure the longevity and safe use of your examination table, always place the table on a flat, stable surface. Periodically check and tighten bolts as necessary. Clean and maintain the table following the care instructions in the manual. Proper assembly and maintenance will ensure reliable performance for years to come.
Thank you for choosing our examination table. Please refer to the user manual or contact our customer support team for additional support or inquiries. We're here to assist you.